Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to add a personal identification number, also known as a PIN, to your Windows 10 computer. Having a PIN does make it easier to navigate through Windows as it is a substitute for the standard password. One nice feature about inserting a PIN is that you do not need to hit enter on your keyboard when you're logging into your computer. If you have the lock screen enabled and you have to type in your password, you do not have to click enter. It'll just take the PIN code right away. So this brief tutorial will show you how to add this PIN feature to your Windows 10 computer. So we're going to start by heading over to our Start menu. Then we're going to go underneath Settings. Then left click on Accounts. Left click on Sign In Options. Underneath this PIN section, left click on Add. So first you have to insert your current computer's password. At this point we're going to type in our PIN code. It has to be digits, it has to be numbers, and it has to be at least 4 or more numbers in order for the PIN to work. Now I'm going to confirm the PIN. I'm using the minimum of 4 characters or 4 digits. Just remember it has to be numbers. And then left click on OK. Alright, at that point we're good to go. So I'm going to close out of the settings window. I'm going to log off. And I'm just going to do a brief example here of just logging in with this recently set up PIN code. So now I'm going to just use our PIN, and we actually see right now it looks like it's inserted the text PIN in the backdrop. So if I just type our PIN code, it immediately logs us in without having to do anything else. So that's a nice little feature. I enjoy using it, and I hope you guys will too. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.